Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is still David and you're still watching Speed Profits. As you can see, I got back my hat. Since I'm wearing it, I'm gonna start working on the car as well. And I have some good news as well. In the last 3 weeks, I didn't post any videos because I didn't really had any reason to do it. The weather sucked since the car is sitting up on the driveway. I didn't had enough time to work on it, and the engine was still at the shop. So what I could do, nothing. But I joined the group on Facebook. It's called the so-called Evolution group, I think. And I found a lot of really good priced parts over there. So I bought the wing. I bought some other goodies. I'm planning to install it pretty soon. Also, it's time to put the engine back together finally. To Harbor Freight to buy the engine stand, grease, I think an air nozzle for the compressor so I can clean the engine parts more properly. So let's hit the driveway. Let's start working on the Mustang first, because I have to fix the Mustang. It's a wheel bearing thing. I have to replace the whole hub. I got the hub. I got all the tools that I'm gonna need today. Some bearing grease. So after I'm done with that, I can start assembling the engine stand, and I can start assembling the engine as well. Let's head out.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word.
Take this whole thing off, we have to undo this screw, we have to undo this bolt, and here's the other one. You have to unscrew these two, and then we're gonna put the brake apart. Moving the disc, putting aside. Do it slowly, work your way around. That way you can still reuse the cap, otherwise if you mess it up you have to buy a new one. There we go. And it's better if you don't hit so hard like me, because otherwise you're gonna make a hole, and that's not the best thing you can do. Still gonna reuse it anyway. This is my daily driver, so not planning to buy another one of these, but learn from my mistake, okay? Then use a 36mm socket. Okay. It's called the EVO socket, and you can buy it from AutoZone, or you can just rent it if you just have to use it way too often. Now we're gonna take this off. And there you go, slides just right off. For me it was pretty easy, but sometimes you have to use a hammer and much bigger flathead screwdriver that do the trick. Still have some more grease over here, but I'm gonna just clean it, put some new grease on it. For the purpose, I bought this super loop from Harbor Freight. I think it was around $6-7. So yeah, I'm gonna use this, put the new one in, and the process is the same thing, just reversed. Also, don't forget to buy a new axle nut, because they keep saying that this is like a one-time use only. Once it's off, it's better if you buy a brand new one. It's gonna be around $10 and $40. I don't know why it's $40, because it's the same brand, the same manufacturer, the same exact looking nut, but that's what they told me at AutoZone. Go with the $10 one. It's the same thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'm gonna put this one right back on. I'm gonna do a test drive maybe, and then we're going to continue on the EVO. Stay tuned, guys. And the next step is to remove this ugly ass spoiler and put back the original one. I bought that one for $100. It's pretty cheap. So to remove these, I have to unscrew these bolts, and I think the correct measurement for these are 5/16, and probably the rest is with some 3M tape. It's right there. It's on both sides. And you can hear the water slushing inside this. Okay. This is what remains after the spoiler. Since this is just a wrap, you can remove it anyway. But right now I'm gonna just leave it until I'm going to paint the car. Nasty. I'm gonna clean it real quick, and I'm gonna adjust in the stock spoiler, and we're gonna have a look how it looks like that.
With a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Finally it's done. Now the only thing I have to do is figure it out how to put the engine block on this stand, and then I don't know, maybe I still have 1 hour until sunset, so have to hurry. So as I promised, I want to show you guys the things I bought. Obviously the first thing is the wing. I got it in a great price. It was $100. I also got the knock sensor and the lower timing cover for another 80 bucks. I also what is it? I also got this triangle piece, but unfortunately I wasn't checking which side should I get, so I ordered the one on the left that I already have, so I have to order it again. And I have to run to Home Depot to get some 4 bolts so I can put the engine on the stand. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more. On the next one, I'm going to start putting the block together. Please like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.